This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Superb quality and gated DuBray. One owner. Perfectly maintained. Built in 2019. Floor plans, pictures, and video tell it best. Fine materials throughout. Hardwoods up and down. Full bathroom for every bedroom. Primary bedroom suite plus second bed/bath suite down. 2 more bed/bath suites up. Super catering/wet bar area off kitchen. Screen porch complete with a fireplace. All appliances remain. Large office and separate family/media/play room upstairs. Plantation shutters. Plus a huge walk-in attic. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.